it's Sandra, and today I want to show you some new Madam Glam polish, some new colors. And these were complimentary from Madam Glam, so I didn't pay for them. And this is their new Secret Garden collection. And I have 3 colors here, and there are 8. This one is called Springtime. This is the green. I've got Bunny Bliss, which is a pink, and then a yellow, which is called Sunshine Love. Now, I asked for 4 of them. I did not get 4 of them. Lately, Madam Glam, I don't know if they run out of stuff or what the deal is, but they ask and then they send something totally different. So that's okay because I'm getting them for free. So if this is what they want to send me, that's fine. The other one that I have is called Heavenly, and this is actually another cat eye polish. So I'm going to swatch these and let you see what they look like. And the first one I'm going to do is actually this cat eye polish, because that way I won't get in on the other regular polish. And this kind of reminds me of the green one that I think it was green that I had. Yeah, it was green. And it was so sparkly that it had a hard time actually giving me a cat eye. And it looks like this is doing the same thing. So it's not as noticeable. Sorry, I can't get my... So I'm going to do it again quickly so I can get it in there quickly. But it doesn't show up very well, and I do think it's just because it's so sparkly. So I'm going to go ahead and put this under the light and see if I do another coat, if it'll show the line better from the magnet. Okay, yeah, I don't see it. Now, the green one, when I did that, after I took it away from the camera and I was looking at it, I could see the line, but it was very difficult. It's not as noticeable with these really high glitter polishes. So let me do it again. I can see the glitter moving around. That's what's weird, is I can see the glitter moving around, but oh, I can see a good one there. Let me hurry up and get this under the light. So the second time I did it, it showed up much better. But this is a beautiful color. Again, this is called Heavenly, and it is the cat eye gel. Okay, so here is that one. So now you can see it pretty good. So the second layer really showed it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and do Sunshine Love. And this is just a light yellow. I think it's a very pretty yellow. It's not fluorescent, it's not dark, it's just a light, pretty spring yellow. And actually, it's the same one that I showed last week, or last time I did one of these videos. So they've sent me, I have 2 of the same color. And then this one is the pink. And this is called Bunny Bliss. Very pretty pink. And then the last one that I have is this green one. Now, I just think that these spring colors are really pretty because I don't know, it just makes me think like this color combination reminds me so much just of spring and Easter and all of that. So, and this one was called Springtime. All right, so I'm going to put these under the light. Okay, so that is coat 1. And if you've never used Madam Glam polish, gel polish, please make sure that you try some. Their polish is very easy to apply. It's extremely opaque and it levels excellent. So there is, I can't say enough good things about Madam Glam's polishes, gel polishes. And they do have a small collection of the regular polish. And that too is very nice polish. So I don't believe you'd be disappointed in anything that you ordered from Madam Glam. So I'm just going to give this a second coat. And really, as far as opaqueness, 1 coat would have done it, but I do like doing 2 coats. So let me put that under the light again. And then we'll get ready and we'll do a top coat. Okay, so there you go. I did put top coat on these, and I just think they're gorgeous as usual. And also, just so you know, I do have a discount code in the comment section, and it's 35% off. So if you order anything from Madam Glam, please use my code, and you'll get 35% off. So there you have it. Thanks again, Madam Glam, for the beautiful polish. And I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.